Are you ready to enhance your Twitter profile by highlighting your passion for beauty, cosmetics, and personal care? Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to switch your profile category on Twitter using your PC. First, click on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, look for the Edit Profile button at the top right and click on it. Now, scroll down until you find the option to Edit Professional Profile. Click on this to access more detailed settings. Within this section, locate and click on the Category option. In the search bar provided, type in Beauty, Cosmetic, and Personal Care and select it from the suggestions that appear. Once you've chosen this category, remember to click on Save to confirm your selection. By following these easy steps, you can effectively switch your Twitter profile to showcase your interest in beauty, cosmetics, and personal care. Why wait? Update your profile now and let your passion shine through on Twitter.